Welcome to CFSN. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம ஜியோகிராஃபில யூனிட் 1 இந்தியா லொகேஷன், ரிலீஃப் அண்ட் ட்ரைனேஜ் இந்த சாப்டரோடைய கண்டினியூஷனை பார்க்கலாம். இந்தியன் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டைம் IST. The longitudinal difference between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh is 30 degree. The earth rotates through its axis around 360 degree in 24 hours. Thus, a difference of 1 degree longitude will make a difference of 4 minutes in time. So, a difference of 1 degree longitude 4 minutes difference make பண்ணுது. The difference in longitude between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh is 29 degree 18 minutes. Hence, the difference in local time between these two places is 1 hour 57 minutes 12 seconds, approximately 2 hours. Since Arunachal Pradesh is towards east, it will have sunrise about 2 hours earlier than the sunrise at Gujarat, which is in the west. Arunachal Pradesh eastல இருக்கிறதுனால அதுக்கு 2 hours earlier-ஆவே sunrise கிடைக்கும் குஜராத்தை விட, ஏன்னா அது westல இருக்கு. In order to avoid these differences, Indian Standard Time is calculated. இந்த difference எல்லாம் avoid பண்றதுக்கு தான் Indian Standard Time calculate பண்ணாங்க. The local time of the central meridian of India is the Standard Time of India. The local time of central meridian of India தான் இந்தியாவோட Standard Time. India's central meridian is 82 degree 30 east longitude. It passes through Mirzapur and roughly bisects the country in terms of longitude. Major physiographic divisions of India: majestic Himalayan peaks, northla, beautiful beaches in the south, great Indian desert in the west, breathtaking natural heritage in the east. இதனால ஒரு வேரிடான nature of physiographic divisions இந்தியால இருக்கு. India has many landforms based on the major differences. It is divided into the following 5 physiographic divisions. அது என்ன 5 physiographic divisions? The Himalayan mountains, the Great Northern Plains, the Peninsular Plateau, the Indian Desert, the Coastal Plains, the Islands. Next நம்ம பார்க்க போற டாபிக் Himalayan mountains. Himalayan mountains and northern mountains னு சொல்லலாம். Consist of the youngest and the loftiest mountain chains in the world. இது ஒரு few million yearsக்கு முன்னாடி தான் ஃபார்ம் ஆயிருக்கு due to the tectonic activities of the earth's crust. It stretches for a distance of 2500 km from the Indus Gorge in the west to the Brahmaputra in the east. The width of the northern mountain பார்த்தா it varies from 500 km in Kashmir to 200 km in Arunachal Pradesh. The Pamir Knot, popularly known as the roof of the world, is the roof of the world ன்னு சொல்றாங்க, is the connecting link between the Himalayas and the high ranges of Central Asia. From the Pamir, Himalayas extend eastwards in the form of an arc shape. Himalayas extend eastward, ஒரு arc shapeல. The term Himalaya is derived from Sanskrit. It means abode of snow. Himalaya Sanskrit word வந்து derive ஆகுது. The northern mountains, that is Himalayas, that function as a great wall, is grouped into 3 divisions. The Trans-Himalayas, Himalayas, Eastern or Purvanchal hills. Next, the Trans-Himalayas. இது Western Himalayas னு சொல்லலாம். It lies to the north of the Great Himalayan Range. It lies in Jammu and Kashmir and Tibetan Plateau. As its aerial extent is more in Tibet, it is also known as Tibetan Himalayas. இதோட aerial extent Tibetல அதிகமா இருக்கிறதுனால இதை Tibetan Himalayas னு சொல்லலாம். The Trans-Himalayas are about 40 km wide in its eastern and western extremities and about 225 km wide in its central part. In the Trans-Himalayasல நிறைய sediments and fossils இருக்கு. Mostly they are marine sediments. இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போற டாபிக் the Himalayas. The Himalayas na core part of northern mountains. It is a young fold mountain. இது எப்படி ஃபார்ம் ஆச்சுன்னா பை த மூமெண்ட் ஆஃப் லேண்ட் மாசஸ் in the north and southல. The Tethys Sea found between these two land masses was uplifted by the compression and the resultant landform was the Himalayas. இந்த compression ஓட result தான் Himalayas. It consists of many ranges. The main divisions of Himalayas லாம் எதுன்னு பார்த்தா Greater Himalayas, Lesser Himalayas, Shivaliks. The Greater Himalayas, இது ஹிமாத்ரின்னு சொல்லலாம். They are like a wall north of the Lesser Himalayas. இது 25 km wide and height பார்த்தா 6000 meter. The Greater Himalayas வந்து கொஞ்சம் rainfall தான் receive பண்ணும் when compared to Lesser Himalayas and Shivaliks. The Lesser Himalayas or the Himachal, இது middle range of Himalayas. Height varies from 3700 to 4500 meter. Width varies up to 80 km. Major rocks in the region பார்த்தா slate limestone லாம். This regionல extensive corrosion நடக்கும் due to rainfall, deforestation and urbanization. Major hill station of the Himalayas லாம் இங்க தான் locate ஆயிருக்கு. The Shivaliks or Outer Himalayas. The Shivaliks extend from Jammu and Kashmir to Assam. இதோட altitude பார்த்தா 900 meter to 1100 meters. Elevation of this range is 1300 meter. The width of Shivaliks vary from 10 km in the east to 50 km in the west. So, இது most discontinuous range ன்னு சொல்றாங்க. Next, the Purvanchal Hills. These are the eastern offshoot of Himalayas. It's extended in the northeastern states of India. இது mostly northeastern states of India தான் இருக்கும். Most of these hills are located along the border of India and Myanmar, while others are inside India. இந்த ஹில்ஸ்லாம் பார்த்தா mostly border of India and Myanmarல இருக்கு, while others are inside India. இந்த hills எல்லாம் collectively known as Purvanchal Hills.